By the way, since we've started, your hair has started to move around in almost
the Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you eat?
Perpendicular angle, diagonal angle, and how three-dimensional depiction is illustrated on a two-dimensional surface. So
Nice.
Sorry. Low-hanging fruit.
Okay, well,
I love both you guys.
and I'm losing love for you. No,
And try not to freak out all the time. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Nut butter. I like a little nut in my butter.
From there is
seem like you might-
Jodie Foster there?
yes, doctor. That's my impression of Jodie Foster in the movie Silence of the Lambs.
A funny guy, and you were discovered
Bob
by
Saget. It was Bob Saget. It was
Well,
Bob Saget.
Bill Murray.
And someone said, "This is the final nail in Alec Baldwin's career casket."
They do that.
They were
don't
right.
They they were and they weren't because
You read it?
Yeah. I've forgotten it already.
No,
boy, killing it, boy, killing it.